Come back. Earnings from tea as is set to hit 63 billion shillings this year, boosted by favorable global prices as well as high demand. Kenya Development Authority has said that Kenya tea will continue to fetch good prices on the international market. KTDA Chair David Ichoho has said that ongoing reforms in the tea subsector have restored farmers' confidence, thereby increasing production and area under tea cultivation in the country.
The last 2 years have been good for tea farmers in the country. Favorable prices and high demand has seen the prices of the commodity rise to record levels. The weakening of the Kenyan shilling has further been good news to local farmers. The Kenya Tea Development Authority says the commodity is expected to earn the country record returns this year.
Marekebisho ambayo tumefanya ambayo inatuletea faida katika nchi yetu, inatuletea forex exchange. Kikumbuka kwamba sisi ndio tunakuwa namba moja katika export of tea in the international market.
Speaking during the Theta Tea Factory Annual General Meeting in Gatundu South, Kiambu County, KTDA National Chairman David Ichoho has said the ongoing reforms will help to improve the welfare of tea farmers in the country. In the last 10 months, farmers affiliated to KTDA have sold tea worth 63 billion shillings from the 44 billion shillings the commodity posted in 2021. Ichoho says the 296.5 base prices for smallholder factories managed by KTDA further helped the value of the beverage to remain relatively high within the last quarter of the year, boosting the earnings for small-scale farmers.
Kupata mbolea ya kutosha ya fertilizer na factory zote wakulima wetu wanaweza pata hiyo mbolea katika factory zao, hata wale walikuwa wameandikisha.
Tumepewa fertilizer na bei ya rahisi na tutaweka mazao yende juu.
The tea agency is seeking to improve tea earnings with the subsidized cost of farm inputs such as fertilizer and seeds.
We're going to look for new markets, and the new markets are going to make sure that now we expand the existing markets, and that means that we're going to get more demand for our tea, and we're also going to value add. We are asking people, and the government, especially the president, has been asking investors to come and make sure that they invest in tea processing and tea value addition.
Terry Njenga, Prime Edition.